Welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video I share with you this simple fried rice recipe. So let's get into the video. Into a pan I will add some margarine, let it melt for some few minutes, then I will go ahead to add some onion. I will let this fry for 5 minutes before adding my washed rice. If today being your first time of seeing this channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Gertrude and you are welcome to my channel. We make food recipes. If you are interested, kindly consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a video. So at this point, the rice is well toasted. So I'll go ahead and add my chicken stock and I'll also give it a stir. You realize I didn't add salt because the chicken stock contains much salt, so there's no need for me to add it to the rice again. So I will cover it and let it cook under a very low heat. Okay guys, so this is after 10 minutes. I'm just giving it a quick stir. I will cover it again and let it cook for the final time. So far, after 20 minutes, the rice is well cooked. I will just take it off from the fire and let it cool down. So please stay tuned.